Are you looking for ways to reduce stress and increase flexibility? Welcome to our exploration of the top 7 yoga poses designed to do just that. Unveil the power of yoga's calming and flexibility-enhancing effects. Stay with us as we explore each pose and its benefits. Starting with the downward dog, a classic yoga pose. This pose strengthens the entire body and improves digestion. To perform it, press your hands and feet into the mat and lift your hips towards the sky. Practicing this pose can help you feel energized and rejuvenated. Next up, we have the child's pose. To execute, kneel, then bow forward, stretching arms in front. This pose stretches your back, hips, and thighs, providing a peaceful respite from daily stress. This pose can help you achieve a sense of calm and tranquility. Moving on to the cat-cow pose. This pose is a gentle flow between two positions that warms the body and brings flexibility to the spine. It also relieves tension in the upper body and torso. This pose can help you feel more relaxed and stress-free. On to the Warrior Two pose. This dynamic posture stretches your hips and shoulders while also bolstering your stamina. As you extend your arms and gaze forward, imagine the strength of a warrior within you. This pose can help you feel more grounded and powerful. Next, we have the tree pose. This posture demands and enhances balance and stability, while also strengthening your legs and core. By firmly rooting one foot and lifting the other, you cultivate a sense of equilibrium. This pose can help you feel more balanced and focused. Moving on to the bridge pose. Lay on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Push your hips upward, stretching your chest and spine. This pose, a perfect stress reliever, can help you feel more open and relaxed. Finally, we have the corpse pose. This soothing pose is a practice of deep relaxation, allowing your body to absorb the benefits of your yoga session. By calming the mind and relaxing the body, it encourages a sense of peace and serenity. This pose can help you feel more peaceful and serene. And there you have it, the top 7 yoga poses for stress reduction and flexibility. From the grounding downward dog to the tranquility of corpse pose, each pose offers unique benefits for both mind and body. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful yoga tips.